Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix speaker not working problem on Motorola G37 power. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so first of all, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn off mute mode. After turn off mute mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on sound and vibration. Click on do not disturb if you want to fix this problem, and make sure turn off do not disturb. After turn off do not disturb, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down to end, click on system and click on reset option. If you want to fix this problem, click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is restart phone. Just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. Use the phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.